Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading Channel. Come to you live from somewhere in Asia, guys. Great time to be live. And we're going to be talking about XRP. What did Brad Garlinghouse say? Some interesting Dogecoin news. Absolutely some interesting Dogecoin news. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about a lot of stuff out there. So let's jump into it. Let's absolutely jump into it. Let's get crazy. Guys, don't forget to go and watch all my previous videos. And don't forget to smash the likes like crazy. And don't forget to subscribe, and share this content with everybody. Share it with your dog, share it with your grandmother, share it with people that you hate. Share. Let's get the message out there, guys. Much love out there. It's a great freaking time to be alive. I appreciate it. So overall, what we got coming in right now is we got tons of news. We got price predictions coming in. XRP, $10. Ethereum 10K, Bitcoin 200. We got tons of stuff coming in, guys. So it's a great time. We're seeing right now that the U.S. markets are looking pretty good out there. Also, good news. It looks like UK and India strike a trade deal amid U.S.-led tariff tensions. So this is pretty good. This is positive news. Don't forget, we got FOMC in the next 24 hours, guys. So it's coming at you. I don't think there's going to be any rate hikes, rate decreases. I think there's going to be unchanged out there. We're seeing the DXY is going down. That's what we need. We definitely need the DXY to go down like crazy. And if the DXY goes down like crazy, this will pump Bitcoin out there. We're seeing a little bit of a sell-off on Bitcoin right now, a little bit of profit taking. Do not panic out there. I loaded up and bought more XRP today. Looks like Coin360. I don't know what's going on with their network, but they're out of there. They're not working out there. So let's take a look at what's going on in crypto bubbles right now. So overall, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 0. Ethereum is down 2%. XRP is down a whopping 1.7%. It's $2.10. If XRP goes below $2, you need to load up like a madman. Not financial advice. Smash the likes, subscribe, share. BNB is also down. Also, we're going to hear from CZ, and he gives his price prediction for Bitcoin as well. Interesting stuff. Keep watching to the freaking end, guys. Don't give up. Keep on watching. Looks like the Dogecoin is also down 2.5%. That's at 1661 out there. So overall, the total market cap is at 2.9 trillion. We need to giddy on up and get over 3 trillion. Girls and guys, cats, dogs, aliens, and amoebas out there. We need to get the market higher and higher. Looks like my flu is feeling a little bit better. Still got the cough, still got the headache. Still not feeling chipper out there. Bitcoin once again on the weekly down. Ethereum down on the weekly. XRP down a whopping 8%. What's going on? BNB is holding strong, down 1%. Solana Wana is down 3%. And look at Doge. Doge is getting kicked in the nuts out there. I'm still loving the Doge, but I just feel. Let's be real for a second. Let's talk real. Maybe the Dogecoin community is going to beat me up, but I just feel that there's going to be more upside to XRP than Dogecoin in the short to medium term. Okay, I still believe that Dogecoin is going to hit $1. No doubt about it. No doubt in my mind. But I think that there's more money to be made right now with XRP. A lot of stuff coming. I think XRP is going to replace the SWIFT system. We already see a lot of banks overseas using XRP, and I believe that the XRP token is being artificially held back right now. So that's what I think. Let's take a look at what's going on with XRP prices right now. XRP is at $2.10. Time to load up. Not financial advice. Also, too, we're seeing Dogecoin is down out there. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. We see I had this W pattern. Now we're just kind of like going sideways. We didn't really break out. I think we're going to break out just slowly. We're about to hit this. I put this resistance line about a week ago, and I think if we hit this and bounce to the upside, we should be okay. I still think that we could with the CME gap go back down. I think we could go back down to 87. We got some really good support at 87, so we could freaking go down. We could go down, ladies and gentlemen. Adjusting the camera, technical difficulties out there. So I think we could go down, but I think overall 100,000 is definitely in the cards out there. Looks like the number of wallets holding one Bitcoin, BTC or more has declined by 3,400 over the past 2 months. Wow, people have been selling. Absolutely, people have been selling. Breaking, Ripple announces resolution of XRP lawsuit with the SEC in its newly released Q1 2025 report. So it's freaking over. Over. I love it, guys. I love it. XRP is going to explode. XRP right now trading at 211. We've got some good support. Let me zoom that up. Some good support right here at around this level at 2025. We need to keep this. We need to stay above $2. If we go below $2, we could see us going down to $1.61. That was our local support. Or we've got some good support around here at 210. 170, 177. So that's some good support. Let me just put that support line right there. Let's see if we can do that and get out of there. Can I put them out of there? Let's do it. There we go. So we got some good support there. We got some overhead resistance right here. This is now resistance. Let's change that line to red. Hopefully we'll get past that. Dogecoin right now, it's kind of breaking down, right? It's kind of breaking down. We've got this descending triangle that's kind of happening here on the daily. For the Doge, let me just make this nicer for you. Let's get this up. But yeah, since we hit all the way up here, we've just been kind of going down all the way since here, guys. We're just going down, down. From here, let me fix this up for you. All the way from here, just kind of going down. So it looks like that. If we see here, it looks like we're just starting. We did try to break out from that, but we are breaking down to the downside. So we could see Doge going as low as 12 cents. So buckle up. I think it's good buying opportunity at 12 cents. Looks like bullish. BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF bought 5,640 Bitcoin worth 532, half a billion on May 5th. That's pretty good. So that's totaling 4.6 billion inflows in 15 days. Wow. Now let's listen to what CZ has to say about his prediction of Bitcoin this cycle, okay? This cycle.
What do you think the price of Bitcoin tops at this cycle?
Again, very difficult question. Somewhere between 500K to $1 million, I think.
What do you...
Wow. Okay, so buckle up, guys. If you got any dry powder on the side, get your Bitcoin load up like a madman. And guys, you made it this far. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, turn on notifications to all, and don't forget to go down there, check out all my links, and don't forget to give a super thanks out there. It looks like this. Show some love to the OG. I appreciate it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, aliens, cats, dogs, your grandma, and people you hate. You know, if anyone you don't like, send them this video link. They're probably going to hate you more. They might watch. Let's talk about Ripple. So it looks like Brad Garlinghouse Q1 2025. Remember, they just had their quarterly report. Was an incredible quarter for Ripple with our acquisition of Hidden Road and the end of the SEC case. So they're confirming the end of the SEC case right here. Okay, not to mention institutional interest in XRP ETPs globally. Moving forward, the XRP market report will look a little different. As some may remember, the objective of publishing these reports starting in 2017 was transparency into Ripple's holdings of XRP. Nice. Which unfortunately was then used against us by the SEC. The SEC, Debbie Downers out there, and others. Our commitment to transparency doesn't change with this evolution. We will continue to publish the XRP holdings on ripple.com /XRP Ripple, and XRP related ongoing updates will also be shared through existing social channels rather than collated for a single end of the quarter update. So this is bullish, guys. This is pretty bullish, guys. So lots of stuff. So highlights of the report: SEC reached agreement, Hidden Road acquired 1.25 billion, institutional demand rises, U.S. policy shifts towards more clarity and more opportunity. Good stuff, right? There's nothing more positive about that. It looks like expert Barrick C says when banks start using XRP, we'll see insane prices like $500 to $1,000 per coin. Okay, I'm not making this stuff up. Okay, let's read. When banks start using XRP, we'll know because of the insane prices per XRP. We will see prices like $100, $500, $1,000 per XRP. The fact that we can still accumulate XRP at approximately $2 means that banks aren't utilizing XRP yet. Okay, yet, big question marks. Once that freaking day comes, I'm repeating myself, Once banks and financial institutions around the world adopt and utilize XRP in that way, they conduct finance. That's it. XRP will skyrocket past $100, 500, and 1,000 minimally. There'll never be cheap XRP. So what does that mean? Get some freaking XRP, not financial advice. Oh yeah. FOMC Wednesday, about 24 hours from now. Get ready. Don't forget we got CME Gap as well. So XRP is quietly onboarding global banking systems. This isn't speculation. These are real institutions, real rails, and real-time payments powered by RippleNet. This question isn't if mass adoption is coming. It's already running. Okay, so you've got SBI, C-Bank, SCB, which is Vietnamese bank. They're running at Ripple, Zip, Air Wallets, BTech, tons of banks. Okay, get it. Wake up, wake the freak up. Let's talk about Doge for a minute. Looks like according to Trader Target, Doge price momentum oscillator signals bullish crossover turning green. Time for Doge to lift off, guys. Let's go Doge. Doge to freaking move. Dogecoin daily chart appears to be forming a diamond reversal pattern, suggesting a potential shift for Doge from a recent downtrend. So we could be breaking out, and it looks like the target is back to 28 cents. We definitely need Dogecoin to be breaking out, okay? If you're getting tired of Dogecoin getting kicked in the nuts, smash the likes and share this video. Also, we're seeing Dogecoin is testing key support around 16.7. Holding this level could spark a rebound towards 17.5 and potentially 18.3. Lovely jubbly out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy out there. Don't forget to smash like, share this video with all your friends, cats, dogs, amoebas, aliens, and people you hate too. Let's get the message out there. I'll see you in freaking next time. Peace out.